this video I'm showing you how Databricks Genie works. I'm using in a SQL query and how to use it. What is Databricks Genie? A Genie is an option in the Databricks where you can ask questions in natural language so that you will get business answers how you will get through SQL queries. How you will see, for example, here I have created one table that is called sales_one table. It has columns sale ID, product ID, year, quantity, price, etc. When I run this select all from sales_one, it has given these are the results. So I'm writing one more query and select product ID, sum of quantity, price as total sales from sales 1, group by, order by. If I give this, it is giving the highest sales. Product ID 200, it has highest sales, that is 1,35,000. 100 is next highest, that is 1,10,000. So how these things we verify in Genie. So to go to option Genie in Databricks, you need to go to left side, click on Genie. Here, once it opens, what you need to do, you need to create a new space. So here I have, by clicking on this, you can create a new space. Here similar way I have created and I have given name as my space. Then you need to do a configuration. What configuration? You need to give SQL table which you want to do analysis. Here I given say sales_one. I already created one table. So if you see here, this is already added, so I'm not adding again. So if you close this, then you need to give here. Oh, you can ask questions in natural language. We will see one or two questions here. The first question I am asking, total sales by product. So product wise total sales it shows here. We'll verify that product 100 it is 1,10,000 sales amount, and product 200 it is 1,35,000 sale amount. So 200 as the highest total sales among the products listed. It also shows visualization graph. If you see that 100 product ID, it is a 1,10,000 is the sales amount, total sales. If you see product 200, it is 1,35,000 sale amount. This is how you can ask questions. Suppose if you want to ask another question, example, sales trend over time, show sales trend over time. If you give this, it takes few minutes. Internally it will do analysis and then it gives the summary of the result. And sales increased over time, starting 50,000 in 2000, rising to 60,000 in 2009, and reaching 1,35,000 in 2011. This shows clear upward trend in total sales across the years provided. You see that in the y-axis we have total sales and x-axis we have a year. You see the sales trend is an increasing trend. This is how you can get, without writing SQL query, you can get the trends or analytics from the data.